Hello everyone, this is Syntax Megas and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is day 7 of my coding challenge where I commit to code every day until I land my first coding job. And it's going quite well. Now I'm done day 7. And today I'm gonna solve a very basic question called compare the triplet. Uh, it's from hackerank, and it's actually a good question for practice for warm up. So first of all, let's look at the description. So if we go by description, then it's actually very big. I'm gonna explain all of this in very small format. So basically, this problem is saying that there is two person, Alice and Bob, and both have created a triplet. Okay, so Alice has created triplet called A, and Bob have created a triplet called B, and both will store values for like A index 0, index 1, A index 2. Similar goes to Bob's will also store values in similar manner. So that's the main thing. And the main problem is like main concept behind this question is you have to compare the values stored in those triplet. So suppose if A index I have more values than B index I, then point will go to LS. In similar manner, if A index I have less values than B index I, then point will go to Bob. So this is the main stuff, and you have to return the output in the form of an array. Like suppose Alice had 1 point and Bob have 2 points, so you have to return this result in form of array. So let's look at this sample input. So here both have got like equal points because one values is equal, 6 is equal, but rest of the values is like Alice have like advantage over 1 point, and then again Bob have one advantage over Alice, so it's equal. Same goes with this sample input too. Alice have advantage over Bob for like 2:1, and you have to return this output in the form of an array. So now let's start our code. That's it for like description part. So first of all, I'm gonna create two int variable. One is Alice and one is Bob, and both will have like 0 as an initial value. Later on it will get incremented according to the point they got. So now we will run a for loop. So basically in the for loop we will iterate till like we will iterate for like 3 times, because triplet have like two index which is 0 1 2. So it will only run for like 3 times, and we have like two if statement. So in if statement we're gonna just compare the values stored in a index I and a index B. So for like we will do this for like 2 times. Actually we will have two if statement. In one if statement we're gonna compare actually in one if statement we're gonna give the score to Alice, and in another if statement we're gonna give a score to Bob. So like and also guys, just keep remember this question is based on a list, and again I'm saying list is part of a Java collection framework, and it's an interface, and it have like many functions. Like you can see a.getI, basically this will fetch the index I, value of index I, and it is actually comparing, like a.getI will compare with the b.getI. So like if in this case, like if a.getI have more value than b.getI, then value of the Alice integer will increment by 1. So and in other if statement we're gonna again compare, um, but this time this will work for like Bob. So if Bob will have like more values than Alice, then the score will goes to Bob. I'm gonna copy this because it's the same star, but we're just gonna change the this this comparing operator, like which one is more and which one is less. So this operator will now work for like Bob. So now if bob dot b dot get I have more value than a dot get I, then point will goes to bob, and we will increment the value of bob by 1, and we're just gonna return, but remember we have to return in the form of a array. So we will use another function to just turn this list into form of an array. Sorry, list is actually inside also a array, but we have to convert it first. Like arrays dot as list is one of the function of a list to convert this list into form of array, and we will return this. And now let's run our code to check everything is working or not. Okay, I have to write this on like one step ahead, sorry, one step above, because yeah, now our code is working fine. So basically we have to write the return statement just after the closing loop of for, so that our int value of Alice and Bob can be faced. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and let's meet tomorrow. Okay, and another announcement guide, like I will be also working on some web app project, and I'm gonna show some demonstration about this project, and will also some cool stuff, will also show you some cool stuff of React and another other framework of JavaScript. So stay tuned to my channel, and let's see what will happen when I'm gonna get the job. But first of all guys, please like, share and subscribe. That's what I need for now, and please share this video also. See you tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day.